So once you get to this point right here, as long as you're smarter than your calculator and you can plug it in the right way, you're gonna get the right answer. So just plug in this entire thing right here, and if it comes out 0 equals 0, then you're good. Because that's a lot of fraction rules that you have to be able to remember from back in the day. And if you're not good with fractions, you're probably gonna mess up somewhere. Good? Okay. This is the same exact thing, okay? Now you're just doing it with fourth roots. How would you get rid of a fourth root? Put it to the fourth power, that's it. Put it to the power 4. We want to get rid of our 6 first. Add 6 to both sides. You're left with 3 parentheses, the fourth root of 2n plus 6 equals 6. You have to divide by 3 on both sides so we can get to the fourth root. Too fast, sorry. So we had to get rid of that 3 before we could get to our radical. This is 3 times the radical, so you do the opposite, which is divide. Now on the left-hand side, you're left with the fourth root of 2n plus 6, and this is equal to 2. For this part right here, how do you get rid of the fourth root? You put it to the power 4. The fourth root cancels out with your to the power 4, leaving you with 2n plus 6 on the left, and on the right you have 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Now you want to get n by itself, so you can get rid of everything that's not with the n first. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. 6 minus 6 is 0. 16 minus 6 gives you 10, and you're left with 2n on the left. Now to get n by itself, it's 2 times n. So you're going to do the inverse, which is divide by 2. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Your 2's will cancel out, and you get n equals 5. You have to check and see if it's extraneous or not. So you plug it back into your original equation.
3 parentheses square root with the 4 on the outside, 2n plus 6 minus 6,
Close parentheses.
yeah, minus 6 equals 4.
Okay. So wherever you see a 5 or an n, you're plugging in a 5. So I have an n here. You've got 3, the fourth root of 2 times 5 plus 6 minus 6 equals 0. This is 3 to the fourth root of 2 times 5 is 10 plus 6 is 16 minus 6 equals 0. 3 times the fourth root of 16 is 2. Minus 6 equals 0. Does 6 minus 6 equal 0? Yes. So x equal or n equals 5 is your solution. It is not extraneous. Any questions on that one?
Yeah.
Alright. I think you guys are good to try one on your own. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Can you try this one for me? Please and thank you. Go back. Good. Alright. So try this one on your own. solution.
Keep it up there.
Go all the way up.
Wait. Oh, go ahead.
Wait.
Okay, so here, I'll start over from the beginning and explain. We added 12 to both sides, so you end up with 4 parentheses 3x plus 6 to the 4th power, or the 1/4 power equals 12. Yes. Divide by 4 on both sides, so that our 4s will eliminate. You're left with 3x plus 6 to the 1/4 power equals 3. In order to get rid of the 4, you have to raise it to the power of 4. So they'll cancel. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So you have 3x plus 6 equals 81. Try to get 3x by itself, so you subtract 6 on both sides. Those will cancel, leaving you with 3x equals 75. Divide by 3, you get x equals 25. Then I just plug it back in right here to check my solution.
So X equals 3.
X equals 25.
Oh, X equals
Yes, because you do 75 divided by 3.
3. Alright.
You end up getting 0 equals 0. So yes, x equals 25 is your solution.